as I am. But each man has his own gift. Merong ibang bibiyayaan ng asawa, merong different from God. One has a gift and another has a gift. Iba-iba. The question is not, when should I marry? The question is God calling me into marriage? Pero sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon na, bilang pasbali, ang youth is not to enter in any early marriages. Walang nag-amen. The youth is not to enter in any early marriages. Alright, makinig mabuti ha. But if you don't follow this step, Brother Jack, ayaw mo sundan yung step 10. Listen, who will be guiding you? The devil. Let's go. Number 2 step, question. Am I prepared for marriage? Sabihin na natin na God answered your prayer. Mamaya sasagutin ko kung paano sumasagot ang Panginoon. Pero listen, itong tanong na number 1 ay para sa'yo. Is God calling you for marriage? Number 2, hanggang 4 lang tayo, tapos na. Listen to number 2. Am I prepared for marriage? Yun ang tanong. Am I prepared for marriage? Ay, so gusto yung mga kasama. Second step, am I prepared for marriage? Ano yan? Window shopping. Okay? Yan ang lagi namin ginagawa mag-asawa. Window shopping. Okay? Kasi tight budget. Di ba? When yung window shopping, ganito. Sir, bibili na po ba kayo, sir? No. Naitingin lang ako. Sir, ito, size 6. Bagay sa ito. No. Naitingin lang. Window shopping. Listen to me. A courtship in marriage is not window shopping. Amen, brother. Window shopping is not courtship and marriage, and courtship and marriage is not window shopping. Lucas 16:12, my name. At kung di kayo naging mapagtapat sa kayamanan ng iba, sino ang sa inyo magbibigay ng sa inyong sarili? If you are not faithful in the little things, how can God give you big things? Mainig ha, paano malalaman kung tayo handa na sa pag